Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Royal Rose Seed in Garden game of Roblox BCB event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Finally, I could obtain this Royal Rose and I got this seed from the Wasp King event. When the Wasp King event appears guys, you can defeat the Wasp King, and if you're lucky you will get the golden chest, and from the golden chest you will get the royal rose if you're lucky, again if you're lucky. But the tip is make the golden chest appear, but it's pretty rare guys. And to get the golden chest, I've already uploaded my video sharing the tips to get it faster. And yeah, just like this, try to defeat the Wasp King to get the golden chest. And if you're lucky, you will get the Royal Rose Seed. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the Royal Rose Seed in Garden game of Roblox BCB event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!